Greetings, geography enthusiasts. Today, we're scaling the heights and navigating the waters in our mountain and river knowledge quiz. Get ready for an adventure in nature. 3, 2, 1, go. What is the highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Which river is the longest in the world? Amazon. What mountain range spans across 7 countries in South America? Andes. In which continent is the Amazon River located? South America. What is the second highest mountain in the world? K2. Which river is known as the mother of rivers in India? Ganges. What is the longest mountain range in the world? Andes. In which country can you find the Matterhorn mountain? Switzerland. Which river is often called the Blue Nile? Abe River. What is the largest river by discharge in the world? Amazon. Which mountain range separates Europe and Asia? Ural Mountains. In which country is Mount Kilimanjaro located? Tanzania. What river is considered the lifeline of Egypt? Nile. Which is the longest river in North America? Missouri River. What is the highest peak in North America? Denali. Which river is known as the River of Sorrows in China? Huanghe, Yellow River. What is the highest mountain in Africa? Mount Kilimanjaro. Which river flows through the Grand Canyon in the United States? Colorado River. In which mountain range can you find the legendary city of Machu Picchu? Andes. Which river is the longest entirely within Russia? Lena River. What is the highest mountain in South America? Aconcagua. In which country is Mount Fuji located? Japan. Which river is the longest in Asia? Yangtze. What is the deepest river in the world? Congo River. What is the term for a deep, narrow valley between high cliffs, often with a stream flowing through it? Canyon. Round of applause for our mountain mavens and river navigators. You've sailed through the quiz like true adventurers. If you're hungry for more knowledge, hit subscribe and let's continue our exploration together. Until next time, stay curious. Goodbye.